Hi children, good morning to everyone. So last class we discussed about divisibility rule. Okay, and magic square and Sudoku everything. So today I have to recall that same divisibility rule, and we solved the exercise sum 4.2 in a chapter 4. So first main, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So first question is 65. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? We need to compare the unit digit. So in a solution, first you need to write the divisibility rule of 2. So divisibility rule 2. Divisibility rule 2. So what is the divisibility rule 2? Unit digit of a number is even number. So in a short form, what we take? Unit digit of a number is an even number. So here in a given 65, what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5. So 5 is not an even number. 5 is not an even number. 5 is not an even number. Therefore, 65 is not divisible by 2. So this is one of the method. You can see, first you write the divisibility rule. Unit digit of a number is an even number. So 65, unit digit is 5. So 5 is not an even number. So 65 is not divisible by 2. Otherwise, you can use the other format. In a solution, unit digit of a number divisible by 2. Digits of a number divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So now you can take 96. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 6. You can check with this unit places. So 6 is there. Therefore, 96 is divisible by 2. So next, second main, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 and 6? So remaining questions from first main are homework. Second main, what we need to find out means we need to find out whether the given question is divisible by both 3 and 6. Not only 6, both 3 and 6. Okay. So in this question, you need to follow divisibility rule 3 and divisibility rule of 6. So divisibility rule of 6 is nothing but you need to check with the divisibility rule 2 and 3. If a number divisible by both 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. And what is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 3. So already you check with the 3 means only you need to check with the 2. If it is possible with the 2, it is also divisible by 6. So first question I will take 42. So I check with the first divisibility rule 3. Divisibility 3. Divisibility 3 is nothing but sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means here 42. Sum of the digit is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. You can see 6 is divisible by 3. 6 is divisible by 3. So 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore 42 is divisible by 3. So we check the given 42 is divisible by 3. We check it. Next we need to go with 6. So 6 is nothing but this can be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Already we proved this number is divisible by 3. Just we need to check with the divisibility rule 2. If it is satisfied, the given number 42 is divisible by both 3 and 6. So divisibility 2. Unit digit of a number is an even number. So unit digit of a number is an even number, that number is divisible by 2. So 42, unit digit is 2, so 2 is an even number, therefore 42 is divisible by 2. So already I told a number is divisible by 3 and divisible by 2, that number is divisible by 6. Already we checked with the divisibility rule 3, it's satisfied. Here 2 is also satisfied, therefore 42 is divisible by 3 and 6. Next we need to go with the question number 39. So here in this 39 also we need to check whether it is divisible by both 3 and 6. So first divisibility rule 3 and divisibility rule 2, and next we need to check with whether it is divisible by 3 and both or not. So first divisibility 2. So you know the divisibility 2, the given number, unit digit of a given number is an even number. So 39, what is the unit digit? So unit digit is 9. So 9 is not an even number. 9 is not an even number, therefore 39 is not divisible by 2. So 39 is not divisible by 2 means not divisible by 2. And next we need to go with the divisibility 3. Divisibility 3. So sum of the digits, that is 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Therefore 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore 39 is divisible by 3. So here you can see it satisfied the divisibility rule 3 and it not satisfied the divisibility rule 2. Therefore 39 is not divisible by 6. So 39 is divisible by 3 and it is not divisible by 6. So 39 is not divisible by both 3 and 6. So remaining question C and D, you do it as your homework. Now we can see question number 3. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? So first we need to recall, I just recall the divisibility rule of 10. A number ends with 0 only. Unit digit of a number is 0 only. A number ends with 0, or we take unit digit of a number is 0 only. So that number is divisible by 10. So first one I take 903. 903. So here what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 3. This is not equal to 0. Therefore 903 is not divisible by 10, because divisibility rule of 10 is a number, unit digit of a number is 0 only. A number ends with 0 only. Okay, so in other format, divisibility 10. Okay, a number ends with 0 only. A number ends with 0 only. So 930, unit digit is 0. Therefore 930 is divisible by 10, because already I told a number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. So a number ends with 0 only, a number ends with 0 only. So 930 unit digit is 0, 930 is divisible by 10. So question number 4, replace ash by the smallest digit so that the following numbers are divisible by 3. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. So this is the 3-digit number. So 1/100 place is filled with ash. In 100 place of 100, it's filled with ash. By using divisibility rule 3, we need to find out a smallest digit. We need to replace. So smallest digit means always you know that in this place of 100 we take from 1 to 9. So here 1 is the smallest digit and 9 is the largest digit. So by comparing here, by using divisibility rule 3, we need to find out smallest possible digit. Okay, so first I just recall what is divisibility rule 3. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. So what is ash 25? How you can written ash plus 2 plus 5 is equal to ash plus 7. So now you can see, if any number it can be added with 7, it can be divisible by 3. Okay, so you want to take that one. For example, what is the table 3? 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, etc. You can see a number added with 7. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. It's always greater than 6. So we need to take with 9. So first chance, the symbol, this ash plus 7 is equal to, it may be 9. What is the replacement of ash? Is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So 2 is one of the possible value and another one. So next one is 12. So same, plus 7 is equal to 12. So is equal to 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. So here 5 is also the another possibilities. And next one 12 and next one is 15. So as plus 7, it may be 15. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So 8 is also one of the possible value. And next what you want, what you get 15 and then 18. As plus 7 is equal to 18, as is equal to 18 minus 7 is equal to 11. So 11 is 2-digit number, it not satisfied. Not satisfies. Okay, so what are the possible digits? 2, 5, 8. Therefore 2, 5, 8 are the possible digit. Okay, which implies that 2 is the smallest digit to replace ash. So answer 225. 225. So next question B, that is 6 ash 7. So here also 3-digit number. Here we need to replace the tens place. Whatever it is, we use only single digit number by using the same divisibility rule. So first I want to check 6 plus ash plus 7 is equal to 13 plus ash. Okay, so after 13, if you add with the 0, you get 13 only. So what are the possible values? 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So we need to take from 15. So 15, 18, 21, 24, etc. So these are the possible value. So one by one we need to check whether 13 plus ash is equal to 15. So the symbol, it can be replaced with 15 minus 13 is equal to 2. So here 2 is the smallest digit. Okay, and next 13 plus is equal to 18. So what you need to take is equal to 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. The same way 13 plus this ash is equal to 21. So ash is equal to 21 minus 13 is equal to 8. And the next one it become 11. You can see the first question is also your possible value is 258 and second question is also possible value 258. Okay, therefore 2, 5, 8 are the possible digits. Okay, which implies that 2 is the smallest number to replace the symbol as. Okay, therefore answer, if you substitute instead you need to replace it, what you get 627. So here the replacement value. I hope children, everybody, you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, you clarify within live session, and I attach the notes for this exercise. You complete it in classwork today itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன் தட்டுங்க.